Sabi nga nila, kahit gaano mo kamahal ang isang tao, mauubos at mauubos ka din. Well, the sad thing is, he is already my husband. Too late na kumbaga. He was my classmate, but before that, madalas ko na siyang nakikitang nakatingin sa akin noon habang naghihintay ako sa friend ko. Medyo weird pa nga siya sa paningin ko noon. But noong naging kaklase ko na siya, everything has changed. Naging matyaga siya na manligaw for several months until sinagot ko siya. I was happy. Yes, was, as in past tense na. Kasi dumating na sa point na ako na lang talaga ang nag-effort. I can say kasi na I'm the romantic one. Yung tipong mag-effort and all out sa pagmamahal. Siya kasi yung tipo na lalaki na palabarkada, alasinggero and all. While I was a scholar back then, sobrang magkaiba kami ng ugali. Reason why we fight a lot. Nakagraduate ako but siya hindi. I got pregnant, then after 2 years we've been together. Kinasal kami, ang akala ko, makakabuo kami ng masayang pamilya. But I was wrong. Dahil sa madalas siyang lasing and ako lang ang nagwo-work, hindi maiwasan na magtalo kami. Yung pagtatalo na yon, nauwi na sa pisikalan. Yes, nasasaktan na niya ako physically. But I chose to forgive him 1,000,000 times. Ganun talaga eh. Matalino ako pero napakabobo ko pagdating sa kanya. Nagkaroon din siya ng work eventually. I already accepted the fact that I married a not so nice guy. But as years pass, nararamdaman ko na yung sobrang pagkapagod. Yung tipong wala na yata akong kakayahan na patuloy siyang intindihin. I actually do not even know what I feel. Pero kahit ganito na yung nararamdaman ko, paulit-ulit akong sinasampal ng reality na asawa ko na siya. I am bound to be with him forever. I actually told him when we are not yet married, sana dumating na yung time na mapagod na ako na mahalin ka. And now, I am experiencing it. So for everyone like me, na all out magmahal but the love is not being reciprocated, don't wait for that time na mapagod ka. Mapapagod ka for sure. But you won't be able to know kung hanggang kailan ka tatagal. If you feel you are not loved, then learn to let go. Be brave enough to be miserable now and be happy later. Rather than trying to be happy now, but be miserable forever.